Alright, what it do, guys? It's your boy Mr. 87LS, man, checking in. And we at a car show, man. We caught it a little late. And we grinding off the phone today, man, because I left my camera, so we're gonna grind off the phone today, man. So I'm gonna flip this camera around and we're gonna come and see what they got going on in here, man. Give me 1 second. Y'all already know we got Fiona in here. Looking oh so good. Oh so good. We got my boy Maine right here too. Y'all see this car everywhere, shit, cause he be outside of his shit. True definition of ride it, don't hide it. My boy don't be fucking around. We got the rookies on there. Oh man, stop playing. Stop playing with him. He all the way right. Got some little cars and stuff. We're gonna go down this way, man. We're gonna come back. I know the Mopar boys out. I seen that one last year up here. I was supposed to have my rims on, but I'm still waiting on them trailer irons. Right there, I like the C8. Nasty. I like the C8s, man. I like these better. Don't be average, goddamn. Oh, excuse me. Nice bike. We're gonna go to the other side, y'all. We're gonna come back down this way because I didn't get a couple cars that was right here. We're gonna come back down. Y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think about that lowrider. They got out here for the kids. You know what I'm saying? Big boy truck. Big boy dually. This is tall, too. Boy CC with the deuce in the Carter. I shit can't sit in idle like that, man. I've been having some fan trouble, y'all. I've been having some fan trouble, man, and it ain't been working right for me, man. I don't think that copyright too loud, so we're gonna keep walking, man. I like these fans too. Okay, we got a couple Camaros over here. Should have brought the Camaro, but it's still under construction. I know what this is, but this bitch tough too. GTO. Big block. I know that's a big block. Nice. Hey, how's it going, guy? Not too bad. Nice. Ooh. That's nice too. I like this. They be clean. That's how my shit gonna be, man. Nice small build, man. LS, I ain't ready for the LS swap shit, man. The money ain't long enough. LS swaps. Y'all get in the comment section if y'all money ain't long either, cause I want an LS swap, but shit, they talking crazy. They acting crazy, my sugar man boy. Okay, we got the Camaro. Y'all know I fuck with the Camaro, cause I got one. Camaro, I like the droppers though. They got the burn pit over there too, so we're gonna make our way over there too. I just wanna get some of the cars, man. I like this hood, that's the hood I wanna put on mine too. I want it to be functional. Get up there to that burnout pit too. See all the smoke up there. We're gonna make our way. But we're gonna get the cars first. this the GTO. Nice. 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 They got the 442. I had this one on camera at the last one. If y'all remember this one. I had this one on there. The last one, he all the way together. I did a whole, what's the name on this one? In and out, so I'll go back in the video. Y'all can see that one. See, got the trophy back there. Oh, I know this car right here. My boy, Michigan Street Soldiers. Shout out to Michigan Street Soldiers, man. I see you, my boy. This bitch look good. Y'all on the highway, okay. That bitch, yeah. Yeah, that bitch, that's my boy, Michigan Street Soldier. Huh? Hey, my shit almost ready. That bitch look good, my boy. I see y'all. See y'all representing rap. Yeah, I think there's some foes. That bitch look good. I fucks with it. Y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think about the Camaro, man. Look at my boy Michigan Street Soldiers to follow, man. I fuck with the lowriders too. Lowriders, man, be way more detailed than us, man. They got all. I like the color of this motherfucker too. Hey, how y'all doing? Alright guys, I'm gonna cut y'all back off. I'm gonna go over here to this burnout pit, man, see what's up. Alright, y'all. We back here, man. We got the Charlie in the burnout pit. We got the Charlie in the burnout pit. And we got the copyright, so I'm trying to toggle out over it. Each stop, we're gonna cut you back on. that bitch. Come back to the cars. To the SRTG. Gotta come get my footage, man.
In second place, we have entry number 9. The red GTO.
GTO. I'm about to send it low. I don't know what that is, y'all. Get in the comment section. What this is. We got some more cars. I came down this line the first time. Some more cars. Come back around because a few more old schools came in. We didn't get it. I don't know what this is, but it look a little slick. SRTG. So I just gotta come get this 4x2. I had this on the channel before. Two with that bloody guts. Channel before. Back over here, y'all. That's a big ass truck. I think he just won some. Big dually. We're gonna come away from this copyright. Check out this Trans Am that we just pulled up to. These. Sure, I fuck with these. It's clean in there too. We got more in there. It's nice. I like this bitch, bro. Yeah, yeah. That's my Caprice right there, the gray one. Yeah. I'm gonna come over here, man, with a copyright for y'all, man. I'm gonna come over here and try and get copyrighted for y'all, man. But I'm gonna put my man that and shit on here, man. got somebody in the burnout pit. What he gonna do? He gonna do something? Or he just fucking around? I got nothing for it. What you paying for it? What he doing in the 442? What he doing in the 442? He out there playing in the 442. Cut y'all back up, man, cause that copyright back close. Little show buzz, y'all. Yeah. I like that shit, man. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I fuck with that. I like that. Bert. Hey, you see that bitch in my pocket?